Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. That's right, today I'm checking out this wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Seems like it has some pretty good options here. Battery, 200 hours of continuous runtime with the keyboard, and with the mouse, 300 hours. Range within 10 meters. So this is obviously going to be wireless, connected with a little dongle. And up top we have the user's manual. And here is the keyboard. That's pretty nice. So that features, these light up and you can have, I think, 4 different types of brightness on there. So that's really nice. Of course, I will be setting this up to my computer also to demonstrate. Wow, okay, it's got some nice little non-slip pads on the bottom. Weighs hardly anything. Impressive. The keystrokes are really quite nice there. Has a little on-off button and a Type-C port here to charge it with. Has a little bit of a slope to it, so it's a little bit more higher up in the back, so it's more ergonomic. I like that. Okay, here we have our Type-C charging cord, a little dongle to plug that into the computer, and then our mouse here. See if I can't just figure this out here. So there's the mouse. It's got the little on-off switch there on the bottom, and looks like it's an optical mouse. Got the nice metal wheel here for scrolling. I like that. And then a thing to change the sensitivity. So I'm just going to plug this in, turn this thing on, and see how it works here. 1 second here. Okay, so I have no problem navigating around here with the mouse. Works really good. The scroll button is super smooth here. Check out the keyboard. So here I am right here on the Google. Really smooth. I like how quiet it is. Really types excellently. It's not skipping anything, being wireless or anything like that. So really impressed actually. You can also change the colors of the keyboard here. So just hold the FN button down and press up or down here. Oh, that changes the actual how bright you want your keyboard to be. So it has 4 different settings, and then to change the colors, light blue, white, orange, green, blue, purple, all these different colors here. Cool. That's really neat, so you can match it to whatever you want you to. The mouse has a little RGB lighting around there. That's neat too. Everything's super smooth. It's not skipping anything as I scroll around here. Really impressed with that, actually. I'm super happy with this. I just wanted to point out that the mouse is also super quiet. I can click away. It's not making a really loud clicking noise. So some people like that loud feedback, but also when you're trying to be quiet and respectful of others around you, you cannot really hear this, but it does have some good feedback as far as you can feel it clicking, but it's not going to be super loud. My keyboard that I have a different keyboard that is it's like a gaming one, but it's I forget what they call it. It's super loud. Anyways, these are both really quiet. Whatever I'm typing is silent, and then clicking here is also quiet. So that's another big bonus for these. So if you need a nice portable, lightweight keyboard and mouse, that works really well. This thing is really nice. I like how it doesn't slip around on the bottom. It's got the nice tabs on there, and then I can just type whatever. It's quiet, it's responsive. The keys have a good feedback to them, so you know you're pressing them, so you can kind of oh, I can type fast with this or whatever. So everything in here it's really nicely done. I'm really impressed with it, actually. So thanks so much for watching this, and plus I have my other keyboard in there too, and mouse, and those are both working as well. So I have 2 monitors, 2 keyboards and mouse, just in case, because I got this table set up now, and now I have like a portable keyboard if I need it, so that's really cool. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You have a great day. I'll see y'all next.